Hello everyone, my name is Milan and I head consulting and professional services side of business at Infrasist. Today I'm gonna show a quick demonstration of how businesses can leverage SharePoint Online to build a true document management system. Okay, so SharePoint is not like any other file server, or it's not even intended to replace your existing business application, whether it's a CRM, ERP, or HRMS, but it complements your existing systems by becoming the central platform for enterprise content, collaboration, knowledge management, and governance around those systems. Okay, so typically all business applications store structured and transaction data, but while the SharePoint is all for documents, knowledge management, collaborations, and governance around those transactions. Okay, so in today's demo, I'm going to quickly show you a demonstration of an SharePoint Online as a document management system for an IT services firm. Okay, and how they have uh, leveraged SharePoint Online to build the proposal, statement of work documents, and even once the contracts and projects are approved, how the service delivery team go and deliver those projects and maintain the documentation around it. Okay, so here is a quick demo of a landing page which clearly provides an insights into the business performance, different KPI indicators, quick navigation to the business functions and the different department portals, integration to the social media platform, and access to the different business applications being used. Now I will quickly jump onto the sales and marketing workspace, wherein I'll go and create one proposal based on a template. Okay. Now, as soon as a create new proposal is created using that template, and I will give it a name, say proposal first consulting, and it is for NOC services. And then I choose the sensitivity label for an data security, security around the data layer. Finally, I go back and here the SharePoint Online prompts me to update the missing information associated with this proposal. So I will quickly go and select the customer, say it's the first consulting, and this proposal is for the service line help desk services. And then I go and choose the region, say they are a global customer. Okay. Once this information is updated, by default, the document gets into the draft state and I go and submit it for approval. Once it's submitted for approval, the document moves from draft state to pending state. Okay. Now, say I go and approve this document. Okay. Then it quickly moves to the approved stage and becomes available to all the members of this sales and marketing workspace. Again, this workspace is a Microsoft Teams connected workspace, so everyone on the team can do a real-time collaboration on the documents. Apart from this, we can create a different views here. Like as you see, this is a proposal dashboard I have created. You can also see it by different technology streams, by customer, and also a filter just want to see a approved documents, or also if you want to see a pending documents for approval, that's also very much possible. So here we can create a different type of views. Same for the service delivery team. Here we have got a project dashboard. We can look at the different type of projects are currently ongoing. Okay, the documents which are awaiting for review, and say a specific set of document we want to see across all of the customer project, say for design documents. So this is how we can look at the HLD and LLD. So the views make the search and consumption of information very easy, and this way we can leverage SharePoint Online as a document management system in a true sense. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.